Title: How to Start Saving Money, Even with a Low Income. Let's be honest. When you're earning just enough to cover your basics, saving money can feel like a fantasy. You might think, I'll start saving when I make more, but the truth is, waiting for the perfect moment usually means never getting started. The good news? You don't need to save a lot to make progress. You just need to start small and stay consistent. Step 1. Know where your money goes before you can save anything. You need to understand your spending habits. Most people don't realize how much they spend on small everyday items. So grab a notebook or open a notes app and track every expense for 7 days. No skipping anything. That $3 coffee, that $2 snack, the $10 delivery fee, it all adds up. When you see the full picture, you'll probably find areas where you're spending more than you thought. Step 2. Make a simple budget. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated or boring. Just write down how much money you bring in each month, and then list all your regular expenses: rent, utilities, phone bill, groceries, transportation, etc. Once that's done, look at what's left and ask yourself, where can I cut back? Even just a little. Maybe it's canceling a streaming subscription you rarely use, cooking at home twice a week instead of eating out, or using public transport more often. The goal isn't to cut out everything fun, just to make room for savings. Step 3. Set a tiny savings goal. Most people give up on saving because they aim too high in the beginning. Instead, start super small. Can you save just $5 a week? That might not sound like much, but over a year, that's $260. And the most important part is you're building a habit. Once it becomes part of your routine, you can slowly increase the amount when you're ready. Even saving coins in a jar or transferring spare change through a savings app helps you get started. Step 4. Use cash for spending. It's way easier to overspend when you're just tapping a card or swiping your phone. Using cash forces you to see the money leaving your hand, and that makes a big difference. Try this. Take out cash for your weekly spending and divide it into envelopes. One for groceries, one for transport, one for fun. When the envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category. It helps you stay disciplined without needing fancy apps or tools. Step 5. Find small ways to boost your income. If your income is really tight, even tiny savings might feel impossible. That's when it's time to think about increasing what's coming in. Can you take on a side hustle like dog walking, tutoring, delivering food, or doing freelance work online? Maybe you have clothes, books, or gadgets lying around that you can sell. Even an extra $50 to $100 a month can be life-changing when you're using it wisely, especially if you put it directly into your savings. Step 6. Celebrate small wins every time you save. Even just $1, that's a win. Don't downplay it. Most people never start saving because they think small amounts aren't worth it, but you're building a new mindset, and that's the most valuable part. Give yourself credit for every small win, and keep going.